Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries Proto-Trak 3-axis CNC bed mill, model DPM S3, serial number 064CF14971. This machine was new in 2006 and it is running. This machine has a Proto-Trak SMX 3-axis control. Again, the machine is running. It has a programmable spindle, so you can change the speed. It's at 1,000 RPM. It goes up to 5,050 RPM. That's 2,500. It is a NST 40 taper, and you have a torque right air actuated power drawbar. He's going to put it into the low gear. So the machine has a 10 by 50 table with 30 inches of X travel, 17 of Y, and 23.5 of Z, which is the head up and down, and also 5 inches of quill travel. The Z up and down of the head is programmable.
250 in the low.
250 in the low. This machine is very quiet. Inverter drive for the variable speed. So he's moving the hand wheel, which are electronic hand wheels. This machine has the tracking feature. Your Y, X, your Y, and your Z. Also, when you move the quill, it does the math. There you go. You can see on the control / digital readout. And that's your power drawbar. I think you've seen it. Hey, thanks for watching our video.